Olop din age Mokokchung Tuli town de flood pra families kunuba khan laga khorbia kuridia jani paishe tai khan ke modot dibonimide Mokokchung de thagya Indian Red Cross Society pra jakali Wednesday din de affect hua families khan ke relief materials aro poisa bak kuridishe IRCS team ge secretary Dr. SS Akaba longcha pra lead kurigina affect hua khor khan ge jaigina modot to dishe etulaga relief operation do water resources laga advisor tongpang ozakam pra IRCS Kohima de modot kurbole kane request Korea pichide shuru Korea ase koikina junaishe team pra relief material ba Korea de 50 turbulence 60 blankets 40 hygiene kits aro 20 kitchen sets thagishe etu logo de khor bia hua families kan ge 5000 each family ke ba kurdishe IRCS team pra materials bak Korea homoy additional deputy commissioner Tubashis church leaders aro Tuli town relief committee laga members kan thagishe